we are actually going to be looking at Virtual X86. Now, you might be wondering, what is a Virtual X86? Well, it's a website that allows you to test out these different versions of like Windows or, you know, Android. You got Linux, like old Linux distros. Heck, you even got MS-DOS here. So you might be thinking, oh, is this better than a virtual machine? Well, let's take a look. So, as you can see here, we got many different options. These old Windows versions, a bunch of Linux versions, a lot of them being like really old versions like this. I can't believe that's actually a name of a Linux distro, but it's got Linux kernel 2.4. Yeah, that's how old some of these are. I do want to give a huge shout out to Michael MJD. I was just randomly watching, you know, some of his stuff, and I came across this video, and I just thought, hey, you know what? Maybe I want to try this out too. So we're just gonna do Windows 98, and I just want to see how this runs because I'm just curious. So we'll click Windows 98 here. Whoa, what the? Oh, that's cool. You even got sound and everything? That is actually really cool. All right, let's see if I can change the wallpaper. I want to change this to like, okay, why can't I click or scroll anything? Yeah, it just froze there. So we're just gonna, yeah, as you could tell, it's registered to high. Yeah, let's see what we got for device manager. We just got the standard display and then VBE. So yeah, let's go to programs and see what we got here. So we got accessories. What games do we have? Ooh, we got Minesweeper. Does Minesweeper work? Yeah. Ooh, can I get this? I can't touch that. Oh man. Ah, dang it. Ooh, online services. Well, let's see if we run AT&T WorldNet. Let's see what we get. If it'll even load. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look how the colors on the people here. It's so messed up. But yeah, no, first things first, I gotta say, this is actually really laggy. Like, really laggy. Now, I don't know if that's the actual virtual machine or if it's just something running in the background. But yeah, no, this is actually pretty laggy. Yeah, let's go to Internet Explorer, why not? And see what we get. Oh, well, it loads. But yeah, no, obviously, because we got no internet. So, yeah, we're not going to load any internet pages. What the heck is sheep.exe? What is this? Oh, it's one of the... Oh, that's actually pretty cute. Look at that. It's one of your little desktop helper buddy things. You know, like back in the day, you had like the desktop assistants. Yeah, it's kind of like that a little bit. Let's see what we got in control panel, if that's anything different. Can we change the theme at least? Yeah, let's change the theme. Why not? Science. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing there? I'm gonna put you up there and... Oh, wow. The colors are so bad. 16 colors for you. Wow, this is color-wise, this is atrocious. That's one of the big disadvantages to using this is, you know, the lack of graphics driver support. Another thing, if you can no doubt tell, you have no way to mount ISO images. So if you wanted to play like a game that was on a CD, or, you know, you wanted to install like some programs from CDs, yeah, you got no luck. You can insert a floppy drive image, so if you wanted to boot from like a boot disk, but yeah, no, I don't see anything involving mounting a disk image. So let's do Windows 3.1. Why not? This would actually be good if you wanted to like test an operating system out without having to go through the process of installing virtual machines, because doing this is a lot quicker. Now, you might be wondering, well, how would you save your progress if you can't use like an actual... Yeah, now you can actually get a hard disk image, so if you wanted to load that and use that, but I don't think you're able to export that image. But what you can do is you can load or save a state here. You know, you could, and then you could save that state to wherever you want. And then if you wanted to load that state again, you could just click load state. But yeah, no, as you could see here, yeah, everything works. Everything loads just fine. Oh, we got Minesweeper again. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Wow, not even. Actually, I'm just curious. I've been seeing this damn small Linux here, so I'm just curious to see how this. Wow, it's the bet. Let's give Linux fans some content here too. Why not? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, here's get CD-ROM image. Yeah, no, it's not in there. So I guess, you know, I guess using like disk images is only for like certain operating systems, which kind of sucks. Again, you know, if you wanted to use like disk images and all that, you're probably using a virtual machine anyway. Actually, that's interesting. So for mouse, it says no. So I guess this is more terminal based. Actually, is there like a... Okay, let's try Solar OS, I guess. Ooh, this is actually kind of cool. Look at... I kind of like this window look here. Yeah, look at that. There's not even like any games or anything. What about HDD Oh, wow. You know, this is like primitive. Oh, I see. So this is like your taskbar. Okay. Show API info. Yeah, there's not going to be any... Probably not going to be any info because this is this is a virtual machine. You know, you can change the RAM size. So if you wanted to, you can make your operating system 256 megs, which is weird because I just don't know how we would adjust to that so quick. You choose your CD-ROM image. So if you wanted to make your own profile, you could do that. You could use your CD image, a boot disk, a hard drive image. Yeah, again, there's just a bunch of stuff you could do here. If you want to try this out, I will put a link to this in the description. Shout outs to Fabian. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. So, yeah, honestly, I'd recommend actually trying this because, again, like if you wanted to try older versions of Windows without wasting disk space, or, you know, just if you wanted to try like older Windows versions or Linux distros out, well, yeah, here you go. You can do that without wasting any space. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this small little video. If you guys like the content, you know, make sure you give the video a like, hit that subscribe button for more content in the future. And until next time, guys, peace.